Alright guys, so what we got here is some touch. Alright guys, so what we're doing today is we're putting on some spot putty with hardener. You can find this at any auto parts store. It's around 8 or 10 bucks. So what you do is you mix it up, both pieces, put them together, mix it up, then it'll be a nice pink paste. And after you do that, put it on here, you just brush it on. Nice and easy. And it'll take out all the little imperfections. Then after that, you go back to it. After that, you go back to it and you just zip them all down, and then whatever is real heavy, you sand it down more, and whatever is peering out the hole again, you just go over it again. And then that'll be it. I got this spot here to do, and this one little spot here to do, and that'll be it. Then I'll just rough it down again, and then it'll be time for priming. So see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, well, I got one more of these flat gray primer here, so I'm going to use it up, and then we'll be going to the spray gun next. Remember, nice even strokes, it ain't a race. Check her out. And that's it guys. So if you guys like this content, be sure to give a thumbs up, thumbs down. Later.